Hello friends, Ashton here. So in this video, I'm going to introduce OneScript for Google Drive. Okay, so right now I'm in this folder, this test folder, and let me just open this sidebar. So by default, if you open the sidebar without any file or folder selected, you will see this welcome page here, and it's going to be basically some information for you. So you basically need to select a file to get started because the script we have so far is according to basically depending on the files you selected. So if you select some files here, then you have this menu in the sidebar. So you have the script here for the files you selected. So right now, the main feature in this add-on for Google Drive is to help you to export the files, basically convert the files to a different format, and especially for Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Documents. So for Google Sheets, we can export it as Excel file, and for Google Slides, we export it as PowerPoint, and for Google Documents, we export it as the Word file. Okay, and then PDF is a common format, so we can also export them as a PDF file. And basically here we have two options. You can export them or you can send them as attachment. Okay, first let's just do this export. And so this export function, you will see this export, and you are going to have a folder name where the file should be, exported, and you can rename this folder if you want. And this folder is going to be created in your root drive if this folder cannot be found on your root drive. Okay, so this is where you can find the folder, and you just enter the name, any folder in your root drive, and then we have this option to convert the files you selected to a different format. So if I'm trying to convert the documents to MS Word, or the sheets to Excel file, and slides to the PowerPoint file. And so these options here, depending on the files you selected. So if I select a slide in the document, you will see here. So now I have two options here to basically configure the export format. Okay, because we didn't select a spreadsheet here, so we don't have this option for exporting to a Excel file. Okay, just select all of them, and then we just export. So if there is no error, and then it's going to have the file exported to the format you need, and then it's going to open the dialog, open the folder, okay, for you. Okay, and then you will see here, this is the folder, and this is the files. We just have them created. So I'm not sure if I think I can open this file, but they're basically in a format you will see here. So it's .pptx, right? So same for the document and the spreadsheet. So basically this is just to help you to, if you have a lot of files to export, because I think these features you can find them in the application. So if you open this file, so you can export them here or download them here, right? So this is basically help you to process the files a little bit easier. And then let's just introduce the second one. So you can send the file as a attachment. So here, so the first section here, you can customize your email. So anybody you want to share them with this file, and then you can CC or BCC them, the subject and the message. And then the same idea or logic, you can convert the file to a different format. So if I'm trying to convert docs to PDF, and the spreadsheet, Google Sheets, I want to use Excel, and the slides, maybe PDF or PowerPoint. And if you, we have a tips here. So if you select any file which is not following these three formats, and they're going to be ignored, okay? And then I can send they're going to be attached as a file. So if I open my Gmail, just have to reload. So I have this file here. So you'll see, I think the document is a PDF now, and the other files they are just in the format we set in the application. So I think that's so far. That's what we have so far in Google Drive. Okay. So I think that's it for this video. And the last thing, okay, so if you have any feedback about Google Drive, so any ideas that we can maybe make it possible in this add-on, so you can send me a feedback here by using this feedback application, and you can send me a response. I'm going to check if we can do it in this add-on. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.